Now we are going to start the chemical properties of metals and non-metals. First of all, we will study the reaction with oxygen. How metals and non-metals react with oxygen. Do you know what is the meaning of oxygen? Here we are referring air because oxygen is only the active part of the air. So, first of all we will see sodium when react with air or oxygen. Sodium, the formula, the chemical symbol of sodium is capital N small a. And air means oxygen. When it is heated in air, it gives sodium oxide Na2O. Like this, when potassium is heated in air, it gives potassium oxide, and when magnesium is heated in air, it gives magnesium oxide. But when these oxides are dissolved in water, what will happen? If sodium oxide is dissolved in water, it gives sodium hydroxide. When potassium oxide is dissolved in water, it gives potassium hydroxide. And when magnesium oxide is dissolved in water, it gives magnesium hydroxide. Now, because we are getting hydroxides in all the three cases, so we can say, and these hydroxides are base. You know, in class 7 you have studied acids and bases. These all hydroxides are bases. So we can say that if we getting the base on dissolving in water, so these oxides are basic in nature. Clear to all of you? These oxides are basic in nature. Why? Because these oxides, when dissolved in water, giving base. On the other hand, if we talk about the non-metals, then what will happen? If we take any non-metal like carbon, if heated in oxygen, it will give carbon dioxide. If sulfur is heated in air, it will give sulfur dioxide or sulfur trioxide. It depends on the availability of oxygen. If oxygen is available in more quantity, sulfur trioxide will be formed, and if oxygen is available in less quantity, then sulfur dioxide is formed. If nitrogen is burned in air, it gives nitrogen dioxide. Now, what type of oxides are these? If we dissolve these oxides in water, they give acids. What is this? Carbonic acid, H2CO3. If we dissolve SO2 or SO3 in water, it gives H2SO3 in case of SO2 and H2SO4 in case of SO3. This is sulfurous acid and this is sulfuric acid. And in case of nitrogen dioxide, if we dissolve it in water, it gives HNO3, nitric acid. So what are we observing here? We are observing that here these oxides on dissolving in water, they are giving acids. So these oxides are acidic in nature. Clear to all of you? So metals give basic oxides when we treat it with oxygen or heat in air, and non-metals give acidic oxides when we heat it in air.